Thank you. I'm glad the Honourable Minister has said that capital expenditure has a multiplier effect. I agree. Now, in the annexure to the answer, they have given the capital expenditure assistance to states for the 3 previous years. A year ended yesterday, 24-25. I have a pointed question. If capital expenditure has a multiplier effect and they swear by capital expenditure, why in the year 2024-25 did the central government's capital expenditure was cut from 11,11,111 to 10,18,429, and why the assistance to states was cut from 3,90,778 to 2,99,891. Together, they cut capital expenditure by almost 1,90,000 crore. Why?
Honourable Minister.
Capital expenditure has not been cut because the previous year it was up to 11.11 lakhs. Actually, in the current budget, in the budget which of this year, which ended yesterday, it has gone up to 11.21 lakh crores. So the capital expenditure has not been cut at all. One. And second, capital assistance to the states from this 11.21 lakh crores has also gone up proportionately. Till earlier it was 1 lakh and then 1 lakh crore for the states. Again, proportionately we brought it up and increased it to 11.21 lakh crores. So cutting down capital expenditure is not the case with us. In fact, I'm talking about 24-25 is, sorry? 25 is the year ending yesterday, right, sir? We are now, the new budget commences from today for 25-26. I'm talking about the year ended. I have appointedly answered the question pointedly asked by the finance minister about the year 25, which ended yesterday. So where am I escaping answer? So I want that. Yes, I'm giving you the numbers. I'll give you the numbers, sir. You can repeat the question if you want.
1 second. Yes.
Your budget at a glance. For 24-25, the original budget allocation for central government capital expenditure was 11,11,111. But in the year ended, your revised estimate is only 10,18,429. Similarly, for assistance to the states, the budget estimate was 3,90,778. The revised estimate is 2,99,891. I have added the two. You have cut in 24-25, both on your capital expenditure as well as assistance to states, about 1,80,000 crore. Why about the year ended yesterday? I'm not talking about 25-26.
About the year ended yesterday. I'm not saying something differently. Just by the emphasis, I want to draw the numbers, particularly for the states, sir. The special assistance which is being given to the states for capital expenditure, which is 50-year interest-free, actually 2020-21, approval was for 11,912 crores, which is actual release was 11,830 crores. 21-22, 15,928 crores were approved, released 14,186. 22-23, 95,147 approved, 81,195 released. 23-24, 1,27,492 approved, 1,09,554 released. And for the year 24-25, which ended yesterday, 1,53,673 approved, and what has been released up to 26,325, which is pending 4 more days for the final end of the year, up to 26th March 2025, 1,46,362 has been released to the states.
Supplementary number 4, Shri R. Girirajan. Shri R. Girirajan.